Tubers. This is the Tecumseh mower I got. I hacked the recoil with a screw at top, but this is the other recoil that's for. All right, I'm gonna restring this. So how you restring these? Make sure I got everything I need. How you restring them? Well, if you have a cord in it, you can pull it out as far as you can. But this one I don't. So what you do is I'm gonna turn this as far as I can. Be careful, don't. Or, Huh. Maybe they tried to restring it and they didn't do it right. So let me get a pick. Here we go. Oh. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut this. I don't know what kind of rope this is. And try to, sorry about that. Sorry, I had a call. But what I'm doing is, see, I'm rewinding this as far as I could do it. And I want to line up, I guess it's this hole with this hole. And to keep it from moving, I take a screwdriver and just put it in. So you rewind it here, and put it all the way here as far as it can go, and that lines up this hole with this hole. Then you want to stick a screwdriver in somewhere, and then you're going to get your rope out and start. It'll be probably about 10 feet, but you start undoing it and put it on. And this will be the hardest part, is to put this new rope through here, or oftentimes I just do it from this side. It's easier for me. So what you do it like this, you get it like here. I like to take a pick and then kind of push it through. There. And then you can pull it through. I was able to restring it the other way so I can get a better idea how long I need it. And I burned off the edge here with the lighter. So what we do now is slowly we take the screwdriver out and we slowly let this wind back in. Okay, then we get left with this, and make sure it winds back in. I did yesterday put some WD-40 in here. So now all we gotta do is stick it back on. Their model of Tecumseh or Toro. In their ultimate wisdom, they made it so that your handle can't go through here. So you have to put the rope through first before you put it on your handle here. That's not a good design. Now that we've got the rope through it, I cut it so it's about there. Give me a little extra. And now I burned off the edge. Now we got to stick it in here and then pull it through the side. This is just some pull cord handle I found on the side of the road. So you get the idea. And then you get it up there. So there you go. You pull cord.